This is a review of the Ryobi 18 volts cordless 3/8 drill drive kit that comes with the 1.5 AH battery, and it also comes with the charger. So it pretty much comes with the charger and the battery. Both of that stuff is included. And this is one of my most favorite drills that I prefer because of the fact that it comes with the charger and the battery, and it's really portable and easy to use. It's user friendly. And one of the things I want to talk about this drill in particular is that how, it's very lightweight. It's not a, very heavy drill as compared to other drills out there that are pretty much more heavier and more bulkier. This one, it feels very nice. It feels very sturdy. It feels very high quality, and it's very easy to use. Like I mentioned, it's really pretty much a ready set to go, type of a drill. And one of the things you have to do, pretty much to turn this on is obviously put this inside the drill itself, the battery. You have to put the battery in there, and from there it should turn on and it should be ready to go. And you can see that it's functional. It also comes with the LED light as well there too. It's 18 volts, like I mentioned, 1.5 AH, and it has an LED that's very bright. So if you're working in those areas that are pretty much dark and you need some light, it comes with the lights, illuminated light that's extremely bright. It comes with the charger as well too, the 1.5 AH charger. So it charges pretty fast. The charging lifespan is really, it charges very quickly. And right here you can see the on and off. So pretty much if I go rotate it this way, it's gonna go left wise, and then if I go this way right here, it's gonna go right. So pretty much if you're gonna go loosen a bolt or pretty much tighten a bolt, if you loosen a bolt, you go left, and if you tighten a bolt, you go on the right side to tighten up the bolt. But I've been using this drill for quite a while now, and I would definitely recommend this if you're looking for a new drill to your home and you're wanting to do some projects, or you need a drill for your garage, or you got some project going on. Then this drill is something I would definitely recommend. This is sold separately. You get the drill bit sizes that's sold separately. It doesn't come with it, but when you have the job pretty much done, it's really easy to use. You just put it in there like this, and you just just like that. It's really simple to use, very user friendly. I would definitely recommend this Ryobi 3/8 drill if you're looking for a new one. This is probably one of by far the best drills I got, and I would definitely recommend this Ryobi drill.